Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's move the base point of these two blocks here. The base point of a block is this blue grip right over here, and the base point for this block is this blue grip right over here. Let's say we want to move the base point to be at the end of this bumper right over here. And for this block, we want to move the base point to be at the center of the circle here. We can do that. So let's start off with this block here. Let's select it. We're going to right click, go to block editor. Please note that the base point of a block is at coordinates 0, 0, 0. So we're going to start off by using the line command to draw a line, and we're going to place our first point at coordinates 0, 0, 0, and then we're going to click anywhere on the screen to complete the line and enter to exit out of the line command. We're going to select all of the objects and we're going to snap to where we want our new base point to be located, which is at the end of this bumper right over here. Now we're going to snap to the end of this line, which is at coordinate 0, 0, 0. Okay, so we're going to get rid of this construction line here, and we're going to close block editor. So the message is, the changes you made have not been saved. What do you want to do? The first option is save the changes to the block name Buzz, or discard the changes and close the block editor. We're going to choose the first option and save the changes to Buzz. Now if we select this block here, you'll see that the blue grip has been moved to the end of the bumper right over here. Let's do the same thing for this circle here, but please do note the location of this block here, which is right underneath this X line, which is this red line right over here. Okay, so let's right click, go to block editor. We're going to do the same thing we did previously, which is use the L command for line. Our first point is going to be at coordinates 0, 0, 0. And we're going to click anywhere on the screen to complete the line command and enter to exit out of the line command. We're going to select our objects and snap to where we want our new base point to be, which is at the center of this circle here. And we're going to snap to the end point, which is at 0, 0, 0. We're going to get rid of this construction line here, and we're going to close block editor, and we're going to save the changes to block B1. Notice this block has shifted position on the drawing. Please do keep that in mind when you are shifting the base point of a block. Also note that the new base point is indeed at the center of the circle. And there you have it, folks. Please like and subscribe.